지금 램베드 샘안과 탑자지
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, afternoon and evening. So it's my day off today. Me and Jigdal, we had few friends coming over last night, 5 kids and including us 6 adults, so it was quite a lot. Well, it was a very nice gathering, as well as quite a lot of guests as well, including all the kids. You know how kids are running here and there, but I'm used to with the kids being around since I knew my friends for a long time since I came to Australia, so it wasn't a big issue for us. However, Jigdal, he has work this morning, and luckily I have day off today, so he left at 5 o'clock, and then we had this internet guy coming over to fix our internet since it wasn't working for 2 days, and me and Jigdal like patiently wait for 2 days, which we didn't have to, because when we did the phone call to the service, phone call service, they said, oh, you guys shouldn't be waiting for it, you should just call us and then we should have given you the backup. So they gave us the backup last night, luckily, and we had nice music on, and we had a great dinner, we had great chat and games and stuff. So I cleaned all the after party cleaning, I've done all the after party cleaning, which was nice, because it's kind of like exercise and moving for me, and clean and everything. And I had my breakfast, so now I'm thinking what to cook for dinner. It's just 8 o'clock in the morning, but I'm already thinking about dinner because I'm such an overthinker sometimes, Anyhow, let's go and do it out together today. Well, before that, I just want to show you something. This is the Vaseline, and see what's inside. A lot of chit chat. I'll shut my mouth in a while. Oops. Oh my god, why this is so hard? See? Dun dun dun. Anyway, this is the lip balm and my red lipstick, a Vaseline lip balm and the red lipstick that I mixed together, because it leaves a really good, like, shiny coloring. It doesn't go away that easily. Yeah, so if you don't like to put the lipstick like straight on your lips, like me, you can always mix that with your good lip balm, or Vaseline itself is a good one. Okay, so that's it. And this is something that I like to use, especially during the hot, and when you go out, it's just a mist. I'm not going anywhere, but I like to keep my face moist and bit of it, and that's it. Let's go together. This was my camera stand, my phone stand, and this is me. This is my camera stand from the kitchen. If you could see it, he would be like, what the hell are you doing? Anyhow, sometimes you have to be creative when you don't have the proper equipment. So this is how I did. Before starting anything, I'd like to have a cup of coffee. Well, guys, I'll show you something. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this. This was a gift from the place where I worked before moving into my new work. So this was a gift from all the nurses. This is really thoughtful. Me and my friend, we had 3 nurses changed into casual when I changed into casual, so yeah. Alright, so let's start the coffee time. I just want to show you guys something nice. Oops. See, this is me messing up. Alright, so basically this is the Nespresso. Ooh, I don't know if you could see this. It's a Nespresso reflection, and you have all the varieties of flavors here. All the flavors. It's basically like this. See, you've got 6 different flavors. So this is the packed one. When I tried to make the coffee the other day. I didn't do it properly, and then I just waste like 2 packs of coffee that day. So I'm just going to be very mindful today. So let's see, very hustling. So this is it. Oops. This is it. So I'm just gonna try making. Oops, there we are. So then I'll just put this pack in here and then put it there down, push it down, and then all the way down. I hope I'm not damaging this one. Here we are. And I'm just putting this one so that I can transfer this into my cup. Ooh. Foam is forming. The coffee is about to finish. If you like to have a strong one, you can just go straight like this, but I can't do strong one. If I do a strong one, I'm going to be like a zombie for whole day. So I'm just gonna add with the milk, and if you like a lot of foam, you can just restart this for next, I don't know how many seconds or a minute. You just press 1 and then it'll start working. So this is the brown sugar that we only use for coffee. If I don't put any sugar in the coffee, it just really kicks me so bad. Chikdul doesn't like to put sugar in it, but sometimes he do it just for me. So that's our sugar. It's done, and the foam is forming really nicely. But I think I won't be putting all the coffee because this is going to be very strong for me. Yeah, how pretty it is. So I'm just gonna put like half. Whoops. Hustling all the time. Okay, now milk foam is formed. As you can see, this is beautifully formed. So I'm just gonna pour it into my coffee. Ooh, perfect. I think this is the foam that I can just put it. Here we are. Leave it here. The color has also changed and the taste is better. It doesn't like really caffeine. Ooh. You see, it's like a chocolate, dark chocolate or a Milo, but I don't like Milo. I don't like chocolate drinks or anything, but this is good, kind of like mixed of caffeine and stuff. So I will take you guys outside. It's actually raining outside, so this is how it is. See, it is raining. And look down there, it's raining too. Alright, so meanwhile, I'm just gonna go and watch her YouTube. I have a favorite YouTuber. She's like Bhutanese and Tibetan, maybe half, or her families are Tibetan and was settled in Bhutan, something like that. So I love to watch her YouTube because she's so cute. She's so amazing. All right, while I watch that, you guys stay tuned until the end of this video, and then see you then. So this is what I was talking about. Well, I'm pretty sure that she doesn't even know I exist in this world, but I love her YouTube videos. If you guys like to watch something nice and productive, this is one of it. I watch her every single day. I'm really updated with all her videos. So she's amazing. Tenzin Yangchi. So I was thinking what to cook for today, and I ended up, I'll start with some tomato, onion and garlic. I'm just gonna make some chutney. And the other thing is I'm going to make kuze. See? So my parents bought this from Inala. If you remember, once I made a video about Inala. It's a place where You can literally get everything. It's like very free places, and it just reminds me and us of India while when we lived in India. It's more like a street. You can get all the street food as long as you prefer to eat, and then you can get like they have lots of butchers and good places for the grocery, as well as fruits and vegetables and all. So they bought it from there and they just gave few bunches to us, and then I am going to make it today. It was really hard for me to decide what to cook. That's me. So first of all, I'm just gonna make chutney, tomato, onion, and garlic chutney, and then I'm just gonna add some spice like chili in it, because last night we had a really spicy meal as well, because the chili that I made, it was extremely spicy. So today I'm just going to make it a bit lighter. And then one thing, we don't have the dumpling steamer, so I'm just gonna use it, make it on a fry pan. All right, there we stopped. Okay, there we are. So this is the product of the tomato, onion, garlic, and I add some cheese. I couldn't take a video because my phone storage was full on. So this is it. I've got this chive, like the chive, it's very the smell is really strong actually, and I've prepared everything. And this is the another chili that it was like homemade but really spicy, like really spicy. So I'm just gonna start making my pan fried dumpling. So this is the dough that I need. We always make the dough at home. We don't buy the whatever, the pre-packed one, not the packed or the frozen one. We don't buy any of this. We always try to make it at home. Well, because this is one of our staple food. So everyone, like mostly the Tibetan people, they make the dough by themselves. So here we are. Here we are. So I've just finished making dumplings. So this is it. I hope this is enough for us. My dumpling turned out to be very weird, very sticky, because I left it there for a while, and plus it's a vegetable one. Alright guys, so I've done with everything, and it's raining outside, so I think the chai goes well with the, it's a masala chai, it will go well with the dumplings since it's a bit cold today. And then that's it for today. Thanks for watching and supporting us, and please like, share and subscribe if you want to watch more videos, and leave some comments on the below in the comment section. Thank you everyone, and Tashi the Lake.